Busy working days before Chinese New Year holiday. A smaller diameter rotary dryer, carbonization furnace, airflow dryer, biomass briquette machine. This all needs shipped before Chinese New Year holiday. So we are arranging very urgently. It's bigger diameter rotary dryer, and this half part, that's another part. Four walking inline hoist, carbonization furnace with purification system. That's horizontal carbonization furnace, big drum rotary dryer. Now we are doing the painting. This industrial rust resistant painting.